So you saw this slide before. So some of the things on here, just generally our product portfolio, including Analytics Cloud, is rapidly expanding. So in the intelligence area here around Analytics Cloud for both Distribution Cloud, the Business Central oriented module, or SalesPad, our GP oriented module, it's going to have additional things around sales analytics, profit, replenishment, for instance. Those are committed future activities that we are currently working on. A little more detail around that as well, just to put a timeline to it as well. The roadmap for that, we're currently in the first half of 2022. We've got the process performance pieces out there, and that's a lot of what I showed today around how things are moving through and if they're moving through effectively. So that is the process performing optimally. So we've got those KPIs, some of those things that are brought to the surface about shipped orders and order volume moving through. Very easy to get a sense of if things are healthy or not. We're also going to jump into then consumer insights or customer insights. So things around like, well, customer typically orders this type of product set or this type of volume, but they are no longer ordering that same type of order set. Well, what might be going on that's different there? You'll be noticed, well, it's a risk of churn perhaps. So we'll bring to the surface information about your customers you might not have known before. And then moving through, we're going to expand this out into the other areas that distributors probably really care about, like products and inventory. So do you have enough of the item? Is it the right type of items? Is it priced appropriately? Are you sourcing it from the right vendors? And team performance as well. So are your reps kind of keeping up to the par that they normally are, or are things slipping? Is things changing from where they typically stand? So again, our team of data scientists on staff here are currently working through what are some of the main metrics and KPIs that really are important to define these things, and then building those into Analytics Cloud so that it becomes a plug and play type of deployment where we pull that data, all that, again, you've got the data in the database of what's currently going on. It's just making it usable. So they're taking those inputs, crafting the reports that would be really insightful, and then they'll be rolled out into Analytics Cloud as well. But I hope you get the sense that it's the data science platform that you'd be able to build or plug in specifically for distributors that are really going to drive insights and intelligence, speed throughout the organization. It surfaces that information so you can make strategic decisions and drive meaningful change around the process performance or those other areas as we extend those out as well in the months and quarters to come.
Ken, thank you so much. This looks amazing, and I really like all the things that are already planned and that you're working on.